Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shay and I am a licensed hairstylist in Maryland, and this is my suite. I'm just showing y'all an overview right now. Okay, so behind my door I got this coat rack from Burlington. I don't remember how much it is, but I will have links to most of the stuff that I bought in the description. Next, this is my coloring tray that I use. I put like products on it while I'm doing hair so I can walk around the client. This black thing actually came with my suite. It's like a stand. I just have like my Marcel iron on it. Barbicide. Got some blow dryers, some curling irons. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Jesus Christ. And then I have some mirrors, and this right here, I actually made that. It's just a shield to protect clients' faces if they don't want to be in pictures, or if I'm like using hairspray. Underneath here I just have like edge control, some business cards, and like a flat iron that I always use. In here I have some more tools that I always use. I got leave-in conditioner, heat protectant, I almost dropped my phone, heat protectant, a protective glove for like when I use a curling wand. And then under here I have like this bucket for used tools. It's actually dirty tools in there right now, but that's where I put them. And then I'm showing y'all my LED lights that I have around my mirror. I actually taped it instead of like using the tape that came with it, just because I almost dropped my phone again, just because I didn't want to mess up the mirror and then have to pay for it if I decide to move suites like later in life. So next I'm showing y'all this pink bench that I got from Burlington. And let me tell you, I was searching everywhere for a bench like this. I couldn't decide if I wanted pink or white, but I decided to get pink. So, and then I just showed y'all my work shoes. This cart I got from Staples, and then I just put like different like I sell lashes. I'm thinking about doing piercings, so I have a little ear thing up there to show people. I sell edge control brushes, and then I have like some scissors that I always use. Oh, and the pink QR code, I got that off of Etsy. And then next I have this iVac. It's basically a cordless vacuum, so I just sweep hair in front of it, and then once I turn it on like I just did, I sweep hair in front of it and then it sucks it up. So this hair dryer and chair I got, well, it came with my suite. And then this pillow I got from Five Below for like $5. Then I have my ring light. I don't remember how much it was. I got this like 2 years ago, but I will try to find the link and put it in the description box. And that stand right there did not come with the ring light. I got that separate so I can like twist it up sideways or vertically so I can record different types of videos. Next, I got this pink standing shelf. I got it from IKEA. I think it was like $14, but once again, I will put the link in the description if I can find it. And then I have my frame with my license and like a certificate for Barbicide. And then this is one of my favorite freaking walls. I did do a video on how I did this wall. It's on my channel, and I will try to link it in the description. No, not try. I'm going to link it in the description. And then I got this cape from Etsy. It's custom made. And then also I got a apron that's custom made and it matches. That's me. Hi. I got this trash can from Gabe's. It was like $16. I'm not even gonna lie. It was $14 at one of the Gabe's I went to, and then I went back to it and it was fucking $16. This white cart I got from Staples. No, I lied. Michael's. I got it from Michael's. And now I'm just showing y'all my sign. My custom made sign that I love. I also, wait, did I make a video for this? I almost made a video for the green wall and the sign, but my phone was glitching and it wouldn't record. But I got the sign from Etsy, and I got the grass for the grass wall from Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. And then I have my frame with my license and like a certificate for Barbicide. And then this is one of my favorite freaking walls. I did do a video on how I did this wall. It's on my channel, and I will try to link it in the description. if I can find it. Yeah, Amazon. back to the white cart. The white cart, I just have water. I'm gonna put snacks there. Right here, I have like items I use for myself. I have my speaker. If you couldn't tell by now, my favorite color is pink. And then I have a wig up there. I have a camera that I got from Walmart. It's a Roku camera. Then I have 5 mannequin heads for wigs and my sewing machine for wig making up there. The black cabinets came with my suite. Also, my styling chair came with my suite. Inside the cabinet, I just have like barbicide, cleaning supplies, trash cans, extra supplies, first aid kit. These are some more certificates that I have, but I haven't put up yet. They will be put up by the time this video goes out though. Next, this is the shampoo area. The standing shelf on the wall came with my suite along with the shampoo chair and the shampoo bowl. I'm just showing y'all the grass wall again. It was actually easy to put up. I used a stapler, and for the sign I used a drill, and it came with screws. This is my pink and gray broom. Lord, my broom. I got that from Dee Dee's discount for I think $6 or $3. But yeah. Oh, before I showed y'all that, behind my hair dryer, I just have 2 wig stands, and then the black bag that's next to the wig stands has like this sign that has like my business information, my logo, and my website for when I go to pop-up events. Now back to the shampoo area. I got another cart from Michael's. It's rose gold. I just put like at the top, I have products that I use for shampooing. I have the still water for my steamer that I'm about to show y'all in 3, 2, 1, and that's my steamer. I got that from Amazon too, but I put the still water in it. I also got these shampoo and conditioner bottles from Amazon too. One of them actually has body wash on it, but I flipped it to the side and I got a sticker that says clarifying shampoo on it. Underneath that, I just have some extra scissors and extra products and razors, and more scissors and extra products. Oh, this is like a neck rest. It came with my suite. I'm actually glad it came with my suite because I'd be like laying back in it in the shampoo bowl sometimes, and like it's hard as fuck without it. So I'm glad that it came with it. And I just be putting I put like a towel there for when I finish cleaning stuff. I put my like brushes and combs there to dry. Over here I have 2 buckets that I use to put ship shape in to clean my tools and brushes before I put them in barbicide. And then there's the steamer again. And next I'm showing y'all this. It's actually a wine rack that I got from IKEA. It was originally black, which is why there's black dots right there, but I spray painted it pink so it will match. And I got this hack from another YouTuber. If I can find her video, I'll link it in the description too. But I just put like big bottles of developer or extra shampoo and conditioner up there. In this cabinet, I have my products for wigs and extra hair dyes and color and developer. Now to this side, I have my professional shampoos and this is extra foils, my towels. Over there is shampoos and conditioners that I use on clients. And then up here I have some extra capes. 2 of them are custom made, and then 3 of them, wait, how many do I have? 3 of them are like regular, like white, black, and red or burgundy, and then 2 of them are custom made. So I decided to show y'all what is inside this cart. Up top, I just have edge brushes that I sell. And then this is like my hair color brush drawer and like tool drawer. Underneath that, I have clips, rubber bands, extra stuff like that. Then my comb drawer, I use this to put like edge control when I'm doing braids or like shine and gem. Underneath that drawer, I have a drawer full of extra rubber bands and like barrettes or beads for different hairstyles. Underneath that drawer, I have another drawer for extra items. I just keep like headbands in there. And then this is my drawer for wigs. I just have all my wig items that I need for installs or like closure sew-ins. Then underneath that, I have another product drawer. I have like oils in it, some gel, edge control, and another product drawer. Oh my god, I'm recording so fast. That one had hairspray. This drawer has my extra flat irons. And then down here I have extra attachments for my blow dryer. This drawer has extra hair dyes for wigs and my hair coloring brushes. And that's me again. And that's all I have for my suites. If you haven't booked with me, come book with me, especially if you're in Maryland or like the Columbia area or Baltimore area. And I travel, so come book with me, guys. And that's all I have for y'all today. See y'all. Bye.